Good morning, S16s. No matter you're in Taipei or in Kowloon, today we're going to have our morning assembly together. And it's actually very special because we are not going to do it in atrium or schoolbury, but we are going to do it at home. So, I have a question for you. Have you seen this little boy before? If yes, raise your hand. I can see it in my home too. Do you know what's so special about this boy? Why that boy's nose is a bit weird? It can be really long and sometimes it could be very short. Ugh, what happened to him? Today I'm going to introduce my friend, a very cute green monster to all of you, and his name is Mojo. So pay attention to the video. I'm going to ask you questions later.
Chapter 2 Mojo Bounces Back. Mojo was walking down the hall when he came across a curious poster. Ooh, a robotics competition. Well, now that I know how to grow my brain like a muscle, I'll be unstoppable. He worked furiously, and after a few hours of hard work, he realized building a robot would be harder than he thought. But he trudged onward, making mistakes, then working hard, and then making even more mistakes. Finally, a terrible truth dawned on him. He would never build a great robot. A little while later, Katie stopped by. "Wow, sweet robot," said Katie. "But what's it doing in the trash?"
So, if you were Mojo, what would you do? Are you going to tell your friend the truth? And are you going to lie about it? You need to think about it. If you tell your friend the truth, maybe he would think you're not that cool, you don't know how to make the robot. But on the other hand, you're actually telling the truth, so this is quite good, right? Or if you choose to lie about it, remember, every time when we lie about something, we need to say another lie to cover the first lie. Then we will have endless lies. So, think about what would you do if you were Mojo?
"It's garbage," said Mojo. "I kept making mistakes, so I gave up." "Mistakes are no big deal," said Katie. "They can even make you smarter." "Ooh, so mistakes are good," said Mojo. "It depends how you handle them," said Katie. "See, neuroscientists have studied what happens in people's brains when they make mistakes. Some people give up when they make mistakes. They think mistakes mean they just aren't good at something, so they shut down and stop trying. But when you stop trying, your brain gets lazy. It doesn't get the exercise it needs to grow. But other people focus on learning from mistakes. They love seeing what they did wrong, so they can do it better next time. And that process of learning from mistakes makes your brain work extra hard to grow stronger." Mojo took another look at his robot. Maybe all those mistakes weren't such a bad thing after all. Maybe every mistake was just a step along the way to building something great. But what do you think? Could Mojo learn from his mistakes? What about you? Now that is an interesting question indeed.
This story is actually telling you honesty is the best policy. It's okay to make mistakes. Everybody will make mistakes. Even your principal, your teachers, your parents, everybody will make it. But the most important part is we always need to be true to ourselves. We learn from mistakes and make sure we don't do it again.